welcome to this lecture. So in the previous lecture we have completed a bit of stuff in this level 1.py, and if you see here we have a bunch of stuff to do, that is checking for Mario death and this X collision, Y collision for Mario and enemies. So that will be covered in the upcoming lectures, but is to see the skeleton of our games I want to just run at this point. So before running we have to create another level, and that should be to load the screen. So in order to load the screen we want to go this state folder, state directory, and create the new file, and that should be load screen. So this will take care all of these essential things in order to load our game. So first we want to import some of the modules, and that should be importing our setup and our tools, and then we want to import our constant. So that should be here at data and constant, and just import it as we want, that is C. So let's create a class load screen here. So this load screen will have these tools and state in order to get the idea about the state. So let's create a initializer here, that is the constructor. So after this what we're gonna do is we'll just call this initializer of the state in this initializer, that is from these tools we want to call this state initializer. So let me just give here initialize again and just pass here as in current object. Now we want to define our startup. So just define this startup, and it should take yourself current time and persistence, or you can just rename it as persist. So let's create now start time. So start time would be obviously the current time here. So we'll say that start time should be now current time, and the persist, just create here a persist, should be again this persist, and the game info. So this is important. While creating this game info, I have told you that multiple times what this game info is all about. It should be the current persist, that is basically a persistence. So next, so what is the next state here? So after this we'll just define a next here. So this next will be our next state, and that should be as set, we said say here, that is a set next state. So this should be our next function to create. So let me just define it as next state, that is set next state. So and let me define another, that is info state, and this info state will be our overhead, that is our current, that is current object, and set overhead. Let me define another function again, just a name, and we'll just define in a bit. So info state, so let me just give a all in lowercase, that is state. So after this what you're gonna create is these two function, that is set next state and set overhead info state. So let's define that as in set next state, it should be state, and just give a self here. So it sets the next level. So just return me, that is we have only this level 1. So I'll say refer to this constant class, and you can see here level 1. So next will be our set overhead info state. So let me just copy it and paste it here, and it will also take this self current object. It basically sets the state to send the overhead into the object. So let me just return, that is load screen from here. After this we have to now update. So let's update, and update has basically the surface keys and current time, and it updates the loading screen. So I'll say if current time is smaller, that is just subtract it first, is start time by, let me say 2400, that is by 24 seconds, then what you're gonna do is we'll just make here surface black, that is to load or to make the load screen, and just fill it with c dot black color here, And the next thing what you're gonna want to do is we'll just call this overhead info dot draw here. That is, just call this overhead. So let me see, it should be overhead info dot draw. Just call this draw, and you should have your surface. So we don't have the here, that is overhead info, so let's create that overhead info in this startup. So we'll go here and we'll just say that is self dot overhead info. Should be overhead info should be, and this overhead info should be called from this info dot. So let me just import this info first, and in this info you want to create, that is, just call this overhead info class and just give, that is, self dot game info, and similarly the our info state. So we have to create here an info state that should be info state is, just create it as self dot set overhead info state. So we have now our load screen created. So we'll just use this load screen in order to load our games, and we'll see the result in the next lecture. See you there.